Okay, so if you're taking my digestive bitters and you have a couple questions, some of my top questions are, one, I've been taking digestive bitters and I haven't pooped yet. The reason you haven't pooped yet is because you're not drinking enough water. Just drink a little bit more water and it should immediately start to activate. These are dry. Remember, anything dry in your body needs extra water to make it active. So try drinking a big, big glass of water every time you take these. And what I would also do is take two with every meal, but also in between, 2 to 4 in between as well. So if you're just having a glass of water or a cup of tea or a little smoothie, have 2 to 4 also. So do that for 24 hours to activate all the fluids and the metabolism, and then you'll be good. You'll be smooth sailing, so to speak. The other thing is, can I take my digestive bitters, your digestive bitters, after gallbladder surgery? Okay, so you are the unfortunate one who does not have a gallbladder anymore. Big, big business, right? Take out the gallbladder instead of healing it. Bummer, but it's okay because your liver will take up the slack for what the gallbladder's not doing anymore. And the liver is activated by these as well. These are actually liver cleansing. If you're trying to cleanse your liver, the digestive bitters have all the herbs to clean the liver. Remember, gallstones are also liver stones. Anytime there's toxicity, anytime there's residual in your body, they turn to hard matter, which is why the gallbladder is taken out, because you've got too many hard stones in there and they can't pass through. But also the liver makes stones. So you need the liver to function properly to take up the slack from the gallbladder. These are fantastic. In fact, double fantastic if you don't have a gallbladder. What other questions do we have? Number 3.
Can I take them when I'm nursing or while pregnant?
Oh, absolutely. These are all earthen herbs, radiation free. No herbs are going to bother you. In fact, there's plant-based minerals in here. I can just read it quickly. I mean, we've got wild yam, which is fantastic for that. Humic and fulvic earth. We've got ormalite, papaya leaf, cumin, dandelion, just to name a few. This is a fantastic herbal formula for just about everybody. I can't say that there's anybody who would have any negative effects from this. The other thing is they're not addictive. I know people ask me a lot, are these addictive? Am I going to be dependent on them? You're only going to be dependent on them if you want to feel good. And I promise you, these will make you feel good. So go to dianastobo.com and order a bundle. Put them in your purse, put them in your office, put them in your car, have them with you all day long. You will see a huge benefit very, very quickly. All right, thank you.